INDO-MIM today globally is known as a leading component supplier from metal injection molding. However, even after the 20 years of experience that we have in this field, we have today positioned ourselves as a leading supplier of components not just from MIM, but from various other diverse technologies. Now, these include investment castings for parts that are from steel and stainless steel, from precision machining for parts that require very tight tolerances and need to be produced from hard-to-cut materials and require some kind of special plating and finishing operations. We can also produce parts from ceramics through ceramic injection molding in alumina and zirconia. Additionally, the newer technologies such as additive manufacturing, we can also produce parts which are much more complex from any of these processes. INDO-MIM has now set up a vacuum melting gas atomized facility at our headquarters in Bangalore to produce powders for additive manufacturing. Apart from the obvious applications of additive manufacturing, these powders are also suitable for thermal sprays, cold sprays, plasma transfer, arc welding, and laser cladding. Unique features of the powders produced by INDO-MIM are good sphericity and lower satellites due to the anti-satellite blower feature, as well as having a good flowability, a tight control on the particle size distribution, and a high packaging density. In component manufacturing, we also have a large vendor network for processes that are not in-house. So it could be sheet metal, it could be die casting, it could be zinc, and this adds a lot of value to the supply chain, wherein the customers can now come to a single source and get a finished component without having to go through multiple sources. We can also provide support for design and manufacturing of gauges, fixtures that can help our end customers in their assembly lines. So how does this bring value to our customers is that today they come to us not just for metal injection molding, but as someone whom they look up to for manufacturing of a component from the most feasible process that we can suggest.